it is a scary time to buy a home. For most people, it is the largest financial decision you will make in your lifetime. You want to be able to minimize two factors, cost and regret. My name is Francisca Alonso, and I have been in the custom home building business for over 20 years. I'm here with Nathan Burch, and today we're going to discuss whether or not it's the right time to buy, and the answer might surprise you. Let's dive in.
My name's Nathan Burch with Vellum Mortgage. I am a mortgage lender based in Fairfax, Virginia. I've been in the mortgage industry for 23 years. More importantly, what I'm doing now as a loan officer is I counsel people about when I think it's the right time to buy. I have a lot of slides today that will talk a little bit about the economy, where we're going, what I think is happening, and how it affects people who are buying homes. I put together an analysis which looks at buying now versus waiting. What if we waited for rates to come down? Believe it or not, that will cost you more money. I think what you see in this analysis will really surprise you. I've highlighted the purchase price, the interest rate, the total payment monthly, and the cash to close for both of these scenarios. So if you buy a home with a total cost of $2.25 million right now, let's say the rates went down 0.5% in 1 year. Expanded affordability means that people can afford more and there's gonna be more competition. So a house that's $2.25 million in total cost now, in 1 year, if the rates go down 0.5%, is most likely gonna increase the total price to $2.5 million total. So we have a 5.875% 30-year fixed rate versus 1 year 5.375%. The amazing thing is that the payment now is actually $551.74 cheaper than if you waited for a lower rate. That's counterintuitive to many people, and if we look at the payment breakdown, you can see what my assumptions here were. So it's $10,647.68 for principal and interest versus $11,199 if we waited a year. The cost went up by $250,000 and the interest rate decreased by 0.5%. We stuck with property taxes being $2,275 a month for both of these, and an estimated insurance of $350 a month. So you can see the total monthly payment here. When you look at the savings over 24 months after all the costs, it's $6,151. The interest in 2 years is $213,275 if you did it now with a higher interest rate versus $216,554 if you waited a year for the lower interest rate. What this analysis also doesn't take into account is that if rates drop 0.5%, that's typically when people refinance. So you would get long-term that savings and you've locked in the lower price up front.
It takes about 18 to 24 months to build a house, from design to permitting to build. A lot of people are very focused on the high interest rates of today, but the reality is that the interest rate that we need to be looking at is the one that will be here in 2 years, because that will be locked in at occupancy when you go into your permanent mortgage.
Again, I'm Nathan Burch with Vellum Mortgage. You can see me on the web, nathanburch.com. It's my first name, last name.com. And my phone number is 703-348-2166.
If you have more questions regarding financing, reach out to Nathan and set up a time to chat. If you'd like to learn more about custom home building cost, check out the link to our Learning Center in the description below. We have a bunch of articles in there that talk about this topic in depth. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content on custom home building.